Menteri Kesehatan Social Welfare uba Paul Lingdo ka khadar trik Julio ula Ithuh pak Sorkar kala Ithuh ya Hynñiew Tylli Distrik Kiba long gijaka babon tam Kiba kerni di berkhai Drok kini Distrik ikan thopi ka East Khasi Hills District ka East ba ka West Janta Hills District ka Ribhoy ka West Garu Hills ka West Khasi Hills ba South Garu Hills District ka Sorkar kala Ithuh ru ikan toj ber kisnong ba pher kiba hapo kini District kiba hap ban shimkhia nomor kilong besak tak bune na Jingpyndonkam Drok hai is Khasi Hills ki jaka bo pher ki kentopi ka madar ting jaru para lajm khra nok thmai pulu nong song maulai mauprem lumling jeri yau maulong maungap marung keneng bat penusla
East Khasi Hills District Kishnong madan ting jalu para lajm khra nong thmai pulu nong song maulai mauprem lumling jeri yau maulong maungap marung keneng penusla West Giant Hills, Kibun Bhagishnong, East Giant Hills, West Khasi Hills, Ribhoy, West Garu Hills, but South Garu Hills. Hynñiew, hotspot districts, but nila identify route Gishnong Kapo district, which is why today we had called for this meeting. In order to understand the concerns of various departments and come to a point of convergence of all departments. What we are also doing is we are involving schools through student cadets, which we will be identifying in all schools. And the other aspect, the more important aspect which you pointed out, I will be meeting heads of religious institutions. There is a forum called All Faiths Forum. I am meeting them day after. All rehab centers across the state have been and are being supported by the state government. On our own, however, in the first phase itself, we have identified 3 districts which will have these de-addiction centers to be run entirely by the Department of Social Welfare. 3 such districts will come under phase 1. But where the other centers are concerned, they all have the full backing of the state government.